Hey guys, TK from Adams Arms. Talk about our new products this year. We brought out our 308 piston operated rifle. It's on the D2 compacted 308 receiver set. It's a piston operated rifle like all our other systems are. You got 70% reciprocity in all your lower parts kit. Any of your AR controls, they interchange with it. The only difference in your lower parts kit's the bolt catch, mag catch, and front takedown pin. So if you want to modify it, put a different fire control group in it, just like that. We also did a brass saving barrel or bolt ejector to keep that thing from denting up your primer pocket.
Perfect. Nice.
And we launched our AR pistol line. It's kidney shape. It just keeps you from having that depression pushing in your primer pocket, requiring you to swage all your primers if you're doing your reloading.
Very cool.
Thanks.
Adams Arms, piston driven 308.
So I've gone to, I think, 6 different valleys. First, third, 5th, 19th. I was like, it's about to go, right? Whatever, hey, there's one to go. And then I went to Darcy. And that was the best training I've had. And any chance to take my team down there?
Thanks. Yeah, we did that in-house. There was no charging on manufacturer out there yet for that link receiver set. Right. So that's our factory configuration. It's just kind of beefed up, and it's got some recesses to kind of guide your fingers in. I like it. It's cool. It'll still take all your regular drop-on charging handle. Go ahead, brother. Get after it.
Pencil barrel. It's light. Nice. That's smooth.